How to get your buyers off the fence and start making offers. Hey everyone, it's Nick McLean and this is Real Estate Greatness. I'm going to give you a tip on how to get your buyers in today's marketplace with rising interest rates, inflation, rising inventory to make offers and get serious about buying homes. And it's counterintuitive. The more you tell people to buy homes, the less they're going to want to buy a home. So please stop saying marry the house, date the rate. Stop saying it. It's cheesy. And frankly, buyers are already skittish. So why would they be attracted to marry a house? That's a huge commitment. It should be play the field, date. Go on a blind date. Check it out. So here's my tip. Lower the bar. Lower the barrier to entry to look at homes. Get the foot traffic up. Start showing homes again. Show lots of homes. That's the thing, right? Sell the selection out there. There's more homes than ever. Let's go take a look. No obligation to buy. Let's just look and have some fun. Because I know this after 14 years of selling homes. Buyers know it when they see it. You don't need to tell them a thing. You don't need to talk them into anything. They walk in, they finally find the home that talks to them, that speaks to them, that they feel. They make an emotional response. They make a purchasing decision, right? They need to look at a lot of homes right now, and one's going to pop, and they're going to say, how much is it? Because now they want to know what is the rate? What are my payments like? So everybody, stop saying marrying a house. Stop saying it's a good time to buy. Stop saying, date the rate. Because frankly, rates may not come down in the near future, right? So you're telling them to date the rate. Oh, just refinance it in the future. Well, what if the future's like 10 years from now, right? That's not a good message. How about this? Let's just go look at some homes, right? Let's just tour them. Let's have some fun. Let's have fun again, right? Let's go out on a Saturday. And I know what you're thinking. You don't want to waste your time. Trust me, you're not wasting your time. You're building relationships. And frankly, the more homes you show them, the more likely they are to stay with you and refer you. And the people you're meeting in today's marketplace are the clients you're going to have for life if you do it right, right? They're going to stick with you and tell their friends and family about you, right? So no more marry the house, right? It's not marrying the house. It's never been marry the house, right? Last I checked, I'm married, happily married. That's for life. Death do us part. Homes aren't that. You don't marry homes. Statistically, you stay in a home for 7 years, right? The American dream is to buy a home, sell a home, move up into another home, sell that home, move up into another home, buy a vacation home. It's like polygamy. It's like marry as many homes as you want. That's what you should be doing, right? So stop saying marry the house, please. I mean, I'm on my rant now. Say, let's go look. Go look at homes. Let's do a video tour. Come to invite people to your open house. Run more open houses, for goodness sake, and invite everyone to them, right? Let's have some fun again, and let's sell some homes. And the more homes you show, the more offers you're going to write. And in today's marketplace, hey, if they love it, they're going to ask you, what is the price? And then you get to say, what would you like to offer? And then you and the listing agent get to go back and forth and work together and make a deal happen. Right, so get out there and sell homes. If you guys are interested in any way or need help with your business, you want to know how to scale your business up from maybe a home a month to 2 homes a month, or you have a goal to go from 15 homes to 30 homes next year, and you want to double your business while other agents are struggling, reach out to me. I want to see you sell more homes no matter what office you're in. We can go out to coffee and we can talk about your business, or just shoot me an email and I'll help you out if you ever get stuck, because I want to see you sell more homes. Take care.